Wait. Yo, wait. This is how power dies in the anime? Oh my god. This should be like a wallpaper, to be honest. Hi, hello YouTube. We are going to be reacting to Chainsawman episode 3 this time. Thank you so much for your support on the previous episode. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and also check out my Patreon for like the uncut, unfiltered version as well. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, Power was actually really cool in the last episode though. But she made a whole mess. Yeah, I'm sure they're going to complain about that. How is Denji going to like get her in control though? She looks really uncontrollable. I don't know. I don't think that's possible. Oh. No! Liar! She's lying! But I like the way she's kind of scared of Makima, or like disappointed Makima. Wait, but she's actually lying though. Eh? I feel like Denji doesn't understand that Makima is a really scary woman. Because you can see it in the way Power behaves towards her. Yeesh, oh my god, that's scary. Denji, please let us focus. Please let us focus here. Is he alone or is he still with Power? Okay, he's still with Power. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, the cat! Wait, is she going to eat the cat? Ah. Wait, then who do you like? You hate humans and you hate devils as well. That's going to be a really lonely life though. Oh, one of them killed her pets. Oh. No, wait, why did Denji say that though? Like the same feeling she has for her pets is the same feeling he has for, you know, Pochita as well. He could have just said, oh, I understand. You know? Oh, there we go, there we go. No! No! Oh my god! This is like putting two dumb people in the same room and both of them just saying right. Oh my god, this is not a good combo. But it's a really funny one. It's a really funny one. Oh my god, I love this. I love the duo so much. I feel like maybe this is supposed to be the experimental group here. This one looks like an angel. I don't know what this guy behind is, but he doesn't look human at all. She looks human behind and he looks human as well. And the lady with the patch as well looks human. Oh. Okay. So she can't go out on her own. Oof, that sounds harsh. Huh? Okay, that makes sense. He's not even listening to whatever she's saying. He just wants to like get it done and then be able to touch her chest. That's literally it. No, he's not dead. I feel like Denji really hates power, but he's just like holding it back just to do whatever he wants. Literally, oh my god! He really doesn't like her though. Yep. Yeah. Oh, but I hope they become super friends. I really like their dynamic. Oh my god, this is scary. They're talking about like, well, I wouldn't say people, but they're talking about like a life here. They're just treating us like freaking animals. That is so fucked up. What the? I wouldn't be surprised if Makima hates humans. Just for like her interaction with the higher ups, I wouldn't be surprised if she hated humans. Okay, Aki. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, chainsaw. Anyone would be afraid of a chainsaw, you know, going through them. Maybe Pochita is actually really powerful. Oh my god, Aki, shut up. That's a good goal. Oh, okay, he's kind of right there. He's kind of right there. Like, Denji is being too naive. That is true. But is he really naive though? I mean, I'm glad Power trusts Denji to like help her to go get her cats. It's actually really nice. I hope they do rescue the cats though. No, he's not joking. This looks like a normal house. True. Huh? Huh? Wait. Oh my god! No! What is she doing? Wait, so is the cat thingy a lie? Or did she maybe like try to kill Denji so she can run away? You know, since she can't go outside alone by herself? Huh? Oh my god. Denji, I hope he's okay. Oh no. Oh my god. It's actually a devil though. But she's walking with the devil or... Huh? No! Denji, no! Oh, okay. No! Oh my god! Oh yeah, true. Denji's blood is mixed with devil's blood. Okay, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Oh, never mind. It worked. It worked. It still worked. So any blood works. Oh my god. Why, Power? Why would you do this? Oh my god. I'm actually really disappointed though. Like, I don't understand why she would do this. This is so weird. Oh my god, really? No, Power! I love her design. Are you kidding me? She's actually a bad person. Oh no. Oh wait, she was actually saying the truth though. She's still talking about her cat pet then. Okay, you know what? You know what? I'm not that disappointed anymore. I'm not that disappointed. I still like Power. Oh!
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだったな。
No!
やーこ。うぬの
Oh
の
my
やーこじゃ。
god!
ひょろいなりじゃのう。
Oh, she fed the cats and took care of the cats.
やーこを殺すのが楽しみじゃな。
Oh my god.
悲鳴じゃない声を聞くのは不思議な感じじゃな。
Oh my god, power!
不思議な。
Oh, so that's how he got her. Okay, I genuinely feel bad for Power, to be honest. I hope Denji doesn't take it to heart and he still helps Power. Because, you know, she just got her pet eaten.
血が足りない。人間を連れてこい。
I know. No! No!
うぬの気持ちが分かったぞ。ひどい気分じゃな。
Oh my god. Eh? Wait. Yo, wait. This is how Power dies in the anime? Oh my god? What?
まずい血ばかりだ。子供の血でうがいをしなければ。
Oh my god, leave the kids. There's no way Power just died.
前妻に生娘だな。
That's me! No! Oh my god! Oh my god, someone help me!
好きのいい男。デザートは妊婦がいい。
え？
俺の胸返せ。
私の血を飲んでる。気持ち悪い。貴様の
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。
Every single time Denji wants to do this, the Marvel Rivals theme of Daredevil, of Let the Devil Out, literally plays in my head.
Let the devil out!
Yep, I'm sorry for the brain rots.
悪魔に食われちまったって思ったけど、
Oh,
ポチタは
oh
泣きなが
my
ら俺を待ってい
god. Pochita.
た。一緒に寝たのを覚えてる。 どんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう。
Oh my god. Let's go! Action! His newly recovered hand is no more. This is what I love to see. Wait, why are we here? Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. Eh? Run away! Run away!
てめえが腹裂いて胸もむんだよ。
Okay, wait, what about the what was it called? Like the city repairment or stuff like that? I feel like they're going to be mad at Denji after this. Oh, the animation is so smooth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Run away! Run away! Oh my god. He's going to use him as hostage. I can already see it happening. Literally. Oh my god. I just noticed as well. I was like, how come he doesn't have the chainsaw in his hands?
その力でなぜ人間を助ける。
野郎の命なんざ死ぬぜ。
Also, fire does hurt them. Ew, what is that? Oh yeah, bats have like the whole echolocation type of thingy, I guess. Oh my god, this guy is still... Oh, GG, never mind. Yeah, he's gonna eat him. Doom! Ooh, cool music, cool music! He's still thinking about boobs. Okay. Okay. GG. He's dead. He's dead. I feel like Makima is just somewhere just watching all this happen. Because there's no way no one noticed the whole commotion going on right now. Oh my god. It looks so ugly. Like the bat devil looks really ugly. Ew. Go for the head. Yep. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Holy horror. Look at this scene. This should be like a wallpaper, to be honest. No! The episode ends here? Oh, we have a new ending now. We have a new ending now. Let's go. I've seen this in the video where I watched all the opening and ending, so this was really cool. This was really cool. Oh my god, thank you guys so much for watching this episode with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also oh my god and also check out my Patreon for the unfiltered, uncut, and better version. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god. Okay, thank you guys so much. Hope to see you guys in the next episode. Really excited. I'm loving the series so far, so yes. Bye bye.